Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track PTO and sick leave in Gusto. Now, whether your team is taking a much needed vacation or just a sick day to recover, tracking time off accurately is essential, and Gusto makes it easy to set up and manage PTO, that's paid time off, as well as sick leave and even custom time off policies all in one place. So let's dive into how to get this done. The first step is to head to time off settings. Now, from your Gusto dashboard, navigate to the time off under the people section. Now, this is where you will set your company's time off policies and manage requests going forward. Step 2 is going to be to set up your time off policies. Now click create policy and choose the type of time off that you would like to set up. Now Gusto gives you a couple of options for vacation, sick leave, and custom leave. For each policy, you will define eligibility, accrual method, annual carryover rules, as well as maximum caps. Now, once you're done, save the policy and apply it to your employees. Step 3 will be to assign policies to employees. Now just go to each employee profile, scroll to the time off section, and then select the policy that you just created. Now Gusto will automatically calculate accruals based on your setup and also show the available balance right in their profile. Step 4 is to manage requests. Now, when your employee requests time off, you'll get a notification, and you can view the request details. You can also approve or deny with a simple click. You can also see how the request fits with other scheduled time offs. Now, approved time off is synced with payroll, so it's all accounted for automatically when you run payroll. Step 5 is to review and adjust time off balances. Now, if you ever need to manually adjust balances, say for a special circumstances or correction, you can do that directly in the employee's time off section. Now, Gusto keeps a log of changes, so you can always have a record. Step 6 is reporting and time off calendar. Now you can view all upcoming time offs on a shared calendar, which helps you to plan around employee availability. Reports are also available to see how much time is being taken and by whom. Now this is super helpful for team coordination and compliance tracking. And yeah, that's a wrap on managing time off in Gusto. From policies to approval to payroll, it's all synced seamlessly, so nothing slips through the cracks. Coming up next, we'll walk you through how to reimburse employees through Gusto. So let's keep it going. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.